Hello friends, welcome back to another of my trading analysis. Remember, we're covering NVIDIA and the Gol prediction. So let's start with the NVIDIA chart right here. Today is the 6th of January. This is Monday. And we had that today was a complete range day. I mean, the price closes in a very, if not identical, position to the opening one. Basically, that's it. There's really not much to say, guys. The other day, the previous day, which is Friday, it was also a very volatile day, but kind of behaving like a range. What I'm really liking is the fact that NVIDIA is climbing higher, even though many of these days, in fact, all of these days so far in the month, have been complete range, complete yellow days, just like I told you they will be. Look at this, the yellow circle right here on the 3rd, and the other one right here on the 6th and possibly 7th. Maybe tomorrow could be a day where we could see something similar, but there's also the chance of seeing a potential correction. So maybe that day will be, if it's going to be very volatile, it could be volatile with a downtrend, which is the worst case scenario right there. But if it goes like this one in a more relaxed fashion, we can see a maybe slow downtrend. Okay, maybe that's what we can see. Maybe similar to some of these parts of the days. For example, this part of the 30th of December connecting with half of the 31. Maybe that's what we can see. But I think we're going to be looking at another boring day, in my opinion. If it ends up being very volatile, which I don't know, because for that I will have to make a BX prediction, which is obviously not, I'm not showing those predictions yet. They are private. Some people asked them for me to do them, and they also requested that they remain in private, so I cannot show you this, and I cannot even give you hints about this. But yeah, let's just leave it at that. So that's what we can expect. There's the potential of very bad days on the 7th or the 8th, any of these 2 days. Finally, I think the week will close with a recovery either on the 9th or the 10th of January. Remember, guys, I'm telling you things like they are, like they will be in the future, with several weeks, several days of anticipation. So there's no excuses. I do not edit or modify or change anything. This is just the real deal. So this is NVIDIA. Like I told you, there's not much to analyze. Only 2 days, market days, for the entire month yet. But let's take a look at the gold prediction. Now, one thing I told you about the gold prediction is that because gold is very, very volatile, it barely has any range, we will see extreme volatility. And that's exactly what we're seeing right here. For example, on the 3rd of January, we see powerful corrections. Maybe these were related to some geopolitical stuff that happened right around the first days. It's very delicate, so I cannot really give details on this channel, but maybe if you do your own homework and just do some Google research, you can find what I mean right here. But yeah, this downtrend continue all the way down to this 5 and the 6, but especially on the 6, we can see this massive volatility. It just goes up and down with a lot of strength right here. I mean, it's very, very strong. That's exactly what I told you to expect for the gold prediction. That's gold for you. It's really how it behaves. So this range can continue. It was kind of a downtrend energy in this one, but really it didn't really play out. It was more like a complete yellow day. The price closes very similar to the initial position. So maybe the correction will happen tomorrow. Maybe there's that. And we can see that after that we can see even more volatile days. 8, 9, and possibly even the 10. But entering in the 8th of January, we can expect the opportunity of some very powerful impulses, very powerful pumps for gold. We have this especially on the 12th which is also a green circle, but it could happen in one of these 2 days. Maybe, if I were to say, maybe on the 9 or the 10, because Friday tends to be very volatile for gold most of the times. So there's that for gold. Other than that, I think it's going to be a very volatile chart. I mean, that's why there's a reason. Most of the circles are yellow. We have some red boxes, especially the last ones. I mean, lots of pain right here, lots of pain. That's what I'm seeing right there. But it's still quite some weeks away from this range of days, so it's still very early to talk about this. It's just a matter of being prepared. The closest range, danger range that we have is 15 to 17. It's still like a week away from this, so we have time to prepare, but yeah, I'm expecting some powerful corrections also on this range of days, possibly starting on the 15th, and in the worst case scenario, maybe on the 14th of January. It's going to be a very volatile day, I can tell you that. But yeah, we're going to see this continue, another range of volatility, another range of maybe some very undecided, hard to predict where the price is going until the 8th, and after that to the 12th, where we can see some impulses, some powerful impulses. So yeah, guys, it's a short video because, like I told you, there's not much to say about this. The NVIDIA chart especially only has like 2 trading days. Gold is basically almost the same. So it's very early yet for January. I will continue updating this information as we go by. I also invite you all to check out my crypto predictions. Very, very good predictions, of course, as always. I'm also tempted to share you the links for my sports predictions, but I think I need some work to do that right there. But anyways, I wish you a good day. Again, invite you all to subscribe, share, and like. And give me your comments, guys. Always pleased to see your comments. And I'll see you guys next time. Take care.